Oh my goodness. Crypto is taking a dump on this fine Monday morning. Let's talk about it. I woke up and saw the markets absolutely dumping. So the first thing I did was what any sane person would do and go straight to X. And this guy, shout out to Crypto Sambayote or whatever, however you pronounce that, he pointed out that Binance is dumping millions of Ethereum to liquidate longs. This is pure market manipulation. And this is the Binance wallet. As you can see, $4 million, $4 million, $336,000, 400,000. I mean, it is a bunch of Ethereum that they are dumping and selling. We see market manipulation all the time in crypto. So this is where you need to not panic sell, zoom out a little bit, take a deep breath, wait for US stock markets to open, and then make a decision. And if we zoom out of Bitcoin a little bit, you could see here that dip that we're getting, that big giant dip that we are feeling right now, is this tiny little thing on the chart right there. So in the grand scheme of things, it is bouncing off of this giant trend line, and I still see a parabolic move coming for Bitcoin up to 160 or maybe even up to $190,000. Now, at the worst case, I can see Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 104, 105, $106,000 and then continuing its way up. Market makers love to play with us, so whenever there's a trend line like this that everybody is looking at, they like to break it down, put some fear into people, and then they just come back up. Now, on top of that, if we're looking at the liquidation heat maps, there is a bunch of money sitting up for Bitcoin at $117,000, $120,000, a lot more than down below at $100,000, $108,000, as you can see. What you're looking at here in the green are a bunch of short liquidations. So if Bitcoin were to go up to $117,000, $120,000, Binance would get $700, $800 million. And it's the same thing for Ethereum. If Ethereum gets up to $4,600, there is $1.1 billion of money sitting there for Binance to make. Long story short, there is a lot of people going short because of what just happened overnight with the markets. And now there is a ton of money sitting to the upside for these exchanges to grab. And usually that is where the money flows. So if you're waking up seeing your portfolio down a lot, take a deep breath, relax, don't panic sell. Of course, not financial advice, do whatever you want. But all eyes will be on the Russell 2000 to see if we can break new all-time highs. Because like I have mentioned in multiple videos, if the Russell 2000 is doing good, crypto does good. So all eyes on the Russell 2000.